Love chicken nuggets? Who doesn't? These little bites of happiness are a universal favorite, bringing joy to every meal. Whether you're sharing them with friends, enjoying them with family, or treating yourself, chicken nuggets are always a hit. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, each bite is a perfect blend of textures and flavors, making them irresistible. The golden brown exterior gives way to a tender, juicy interior that keeps you coming back for more. Now you can make them at home the healthy way. Air fryers are magic. They allow you to enjoy your favorite comfort food with less guilt. Imagine biting into a delicious nugget, knowing it's made with healthier ingredients and less oil. Let's get cooking and bring some golden nuggets of joy to your table today. You only need a few things to make this delicious dish. Start with fresh chicken breast, which is the star of the show. Make sure to choose high-quality chicken for the best results. Next, you'll need breadcrumbs. These will give your chicken that perfect crispy coating that everyone loves. You can use store-bought breadcrumbs or make your own by toasting and crushing some bread. An egg is essential as it acts as the glue, helping the breadcrumbs stick to the chicken. Don't forget to season your chicken with salt and pepper to enhance the flavors. You can also add other spices like garlic powder, paprika, or even some herbs if you want to get creative. That's it. With just these simple ingredients, you're on your way to making a mouth-watering meal that will impress everyone at the table. Happy cooking! Start by cutting the chicken into small, bite-sized pieces. This ensures that they cook evenly and quickly in the air fryer. Make sure to use a sharp knife for clean cuts and to maintain the texture of the chicken. Next, dip each piece of chicken into a bowl of beaten eggs. This egg wash helps the breadcrumbs stick to the chicken, giving it that delicious crispy coating. After the egg wash, roll each piece in breadcrumbs until fully coated. You can use plain breadcrumbs or add some spices for extra flavor. Carefully place the coated chicken pieces into the air fryer basket. It's important not to overcrowd the basket, as this allows the hot air to circulate around each piece, ensuring they cook evenly and become crispy on all sides. Set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the chicken nuggets for about 10 minutes. Remember to flip them halfway through the cooking time to ensure they get golden brown and crispy on both sides. Once they're perfectly golden and crispy, they're ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce for a delightful snack or meal. Air fryers use less oil than deep frying. That means fewer calories and less fat. Healthy and delicious? You bet. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce and fresh veggies. Enjoy.